This past summer, we spent 1 month in Singapore. And in this video, we'll go over all the hotels that we stayed at. Now, upon arriving at Changi Airport, the first hotel that we stayed at was Crowne Plaza, Changi Airport. It's conveniently located at Terminal 3, easy access to the airport, and right next to the entrance to Jewel. We were able to stay at this hotel for free for 1 night using my American Express points. Our flight arrived at Changi Airport roughly around 9:30 a.m. We were able to head to the hotel, drop off our luggage. Out of all the hotels that we stayed at, this was the only hotel that did not bring our bags to our room for us. Our room was available early. We were able to get into rooms at roughly about 12 p.m. The room was quite spacious with a view of the airport. And if you do decide to stay at Crowne Plaza, Changi Airport, it is located close to the MRT entrance. Overall experience of the hotel was pretty well. I'd give the service about 7-8 out of 10. The next hotel we stayed at was our dream hotel. Well, in 2022, when we visited Singapore, we were just amazed at Marina Bay Sands. And we're like, one day, we'll stay at that hotel. Who knew, a year later, we'd stay at the Marina Bay Sands. Upon entering Marina Bay Sands, we were greeted with a very welcoming staff. They went ahead and took our bags from us and told us to queue up. If you're there during peak season, it gets pretty busy. Staying at Marina Bay Sands, you have access to the observation deck. The infinity pool experience at its own is great. If you do plan on swimming at the infinity pool, go early in the morning. During peak season, it gets pretty busy. We didn't get our rooms till about 1-2 o'clock, which is still ahead of the 3 o'clock check-in. Very elegant room, plenty of storage. Came with your 3 bottles of water, came with a Coke, a Sprite, which is refilled daily. Snacks as well, assorted snacks, coffee and tea. You can order your room service through the TV. You have your menu options of where to go and where to eat. They upgraded our room and gave us a view of Garden by the Bay. At night, we were able to see the night show. Easy access to the mall, MRT station, and Garden by the Bay. Plenty of things to do around the hotel. You have the Art Science Museum as well. You can walk on the Helix Bridge, cross on the other side of Marina Bay, and see the Merlion. I don't have much experience to go by in terms of high-end hotels. I would rate the stay at 10 out of 10. Our next hotel, ParkRoyal Collection at Marina Bay. A lot of these places had great customer service. ParkRoyal was no exception. We got to the hotel roughly around 1, and our rooms weren't ready till about 3, maybe a little bit after 3. It is a very nice room. My only complaint would be the lack of storage. We only had one small closet and no drawers to put our other stuff in. I would say if you're staying there for a longer term stay, maybe a few days, just keep in mind that there's not much storage. Decent sized bathroom shower. There's some mold over there. In a nice hotel, you would expect everything to be tip top. Upgraded our room as well, so we had a view of Marina Bay. Amazing indoor garden. I think this is the only hotel that we did not swim at, but it has a decent pool and with a view of the skyline. It's connected to Marina Square. Connected to the MRT as well. The Esplanade MRT station, or the Esplanade Exchange, which leads you to a couple of MRT stops. Easily walk to South Beach, Raffles City, and a few other places that you could walk to. I would rate our stay at ParkRoyal Collection, Marina Bay, 8 out of 10. Points off for private storage and cleanliness inside the hotel room. Other than that, customer service was on point. After ParkRoyal Collection Marina Bay, we headed over to Marriott Tang Plaza. This hotel is located right off of Orchard Road. If you plan to shop, that's the hotel to stay at. A lot of malls to go to, and the malls are always packed. No matter how many malls there are, how many stores, they're always packed. We got to Marriott around noon. The rooms are already available, so we were able to check in early. The room is a little bit more elegant than contemporary, I would say. Plenty of storage. Very clean room. Not much of a view as compared to Marina Bay. We had a view of Orchard Road. Probably the first hotel that we ate breakfast at instead of going out to eat breakfast. There is an MRT station right under. Pool was pretty nice. You had the little seating on the side and a view of Ion Mall. I would rate this at 8.5 out of 10. Nice customer service. You know what? I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Easy access to MRT and easy access to a plethora of malls around the area. Now going from Marriott Tang Plaza Hotel, we went to 30 Bencoolen. Bencoolen was a hotel we stayed at in the summer of 2022. I would say out of all the hotels, provided us with the best value. The room itself was a nice sized room, decent storage. It even had more storage than the ParkRoyal collection. The swimming pool is located on the roof. What we liked about the hotel too was there's a laundry room on the 5th floor, the same floor as the gym. We didn't have any sort of view, but with this price, don't expect a view, but it's very convenient. We're by 2 MRT stations within walking distance, I would say within 5 minutes or less. The Bencoolen station and the Bras Basah station. If we wanted to, we could walk to Bugis area. A little further down, we could go to Arab Street and Haji Lane. Our stay for Bencoolen, we rated 8.5 out of 10 based on value. After 30 Bencoolen, our next hotel was Fullerton Bay Hotel. In terms of customer service wise, the best experience that we had. Since we booked through American Express, we had the option of early check-in and late checkout. They upgraded our room as well. This wasn't the room I booked. They upgraded our room. Like when they upgraded our room, they upgraded our room. Only regret was not staying more than one night. We had a view overlooking Marina Bay, looking at Marina Bay Sands. That same night that we stayed at the hotel, we only stayed there one night. I wish we booked there longer. They were doing the National Day Parade preview. But this experience was, I know I said this throughout the trip, but this experience was amazing. We would rate this hotel a 10 out of 10, just based on the overall experience, the customer service, the food, the easy access to Raffles Place, MRT, the Merlion, Marina Bay. The final hotel we stayed at was the Fullerton Hotel, which is an historic place which used to be Singapore's post office, located right off the Singapore River. Now this hotel was quite busy. I would say the staff was friendly, but I guess it was so busy I didn't have like the regular interactions I had at the other hotels. The rooms were nice. It was an elegant room. You had decent storage space. Nice bathroom. It had heated toilet seats. Our view was overlooking the entrance of the hotel. We were able to see part of the Singapore River. Got a nice swimming pool. The only drawback I would say with this hotel is you're not as close to an MRT station as the other hotels. It's a little bit more of a walk going to an MRT station, but you're right there across the street from the Fullerton Bay, the Merlion, so that area you can walk along Singapore River, and you could see Clarke Quay in the background. Overall, I would rate the stay at this hotel an 8 out of 10. We look forward to visiting Singapore again soon. I'm not sure if we'll be able to this year or if we'll be able to take a trip this year. I'll have one more video going over everything that we did so you guys don't have to watch our 27th episode vlog. All right, peace.